Destination weddings is people who decide to get married somewhere that it's not their place of origin. So people travel, and now after the pandemic they are traveling far and they are looking for very special experiences. And I'm sure that Tanzania could be the leader in Africa in bringing these couples looking for a destination wedding. You have everything that a couple could need. You have romantic settings, you have beautiful views by the Kilimanjaro, you have these properties like this one, this beautiful hotel where we are, that could fit the guest and could fit amazing experiences. And I will tell you something, your gastronomy is something amazing. All of this mix of fruits and meat and everything, it's so savory, it's amazing.
Hii ni Kadoshi TV, always on time.